Okay, hi everybody. This is Carolyn. I'm going to explain to you what these tools are that you are looking at. This is for women who is two systems on here. One is the Lypossage system, and one is the wood cellulite therapy. Both systems can be used for the women who do not want to get the invasive surgery, such as the liposuction, the Brazilian butt lift, or the tummy tucks. And it's also used, one of the systems is also used for post-op care for women who do get the liposuction, the breast augmentation, the tummy tucks, and the breast lifts. So I'm going to explain to you what some of these tools are and what they are used for. So here we go. The rollers, these are the rollers. This one, and there's a newer one out that is more curvaceous to the body. So the rollers, this one, this one, and this one. These two are used to activate your circulatory system, lymphatic system, and stimulate your peripheral nervous system and facilitate the removal of your fat cells. The next one I want to talk about is the cups. Here are the cups, and I'm going to show you what they look like if you could see this. Here are the cups. The cups, I'm trying to give you a full visual here. Those two cups that you see, the cups treat localized fat cells on the waist, buttocks, which we call glutes, your thighs, and your stomach. It also removes excess fluid and is also good for deep draining. The next one is called the shaper. That would be this tool. This tool is the shaper, okay? Now, I'll give you a full picture again of these tools. The shaper helps to drain the fat, and it also promotes any elimination of toxin, and it's used to redefine your figure. So, the tools I just showed you, the roller, the cups, the shaper. Those are the main tools used for natural body contouring, natural sculpting for the shape that you want to get in wood cellulite therapy. Now, what happens is before I start any wood cellulite therapy with you, which is a holistic treatment, I measure you first with a measuring tape. And I take pictures. So pictures is going to be taken the first session, and then after that, every third session. But your measurements are taken every before and after session. Okay? Measurements are taken every before and after session, and pictures are taken your initial session, and then after that, every third session. So it's a total, I would like to say, it's a complete system with the tools I just showed you, 15 sessions. 15 sessions. However, you will see results in 6 to 9 sessions. Now, let's talk about the creams that you see. Here is the essential oil. This is a mixture of 8 essential oils that I use for contouring. And also this contouring cream and this contouring cream, these two here, they're used for the Lypossage sessions. The Lypossage sessions are 18 sessions with 2 consultations. Your initial consultation, your 18 session sessions, and then your ending consultation. Same thing. Pictures is taken initially and then every third session. And then measurements is also taken before and after each session. Now, with the Lypossage, that is a natural, once again, body contouring session that I do in a specific way according to a specific protocol. That's the Lypossage. Now, if you choose the non-invasive way of achieving that body shape that you want, I combine both systems for maximum and effective results. These are two systems that can be done independently of each other or combined together for maximum effective results. And what I've done is I've taken two systems, and I have a certain protocol that I use for both systems, and I get maximum effective results, and you get the contouring that you want to get. Now, let's talk about the women who get the liposuction, Brazilian butt lift, the tummy tuck, and the breast augmentation. The only tools that will be used is this. The measurements of before and after, the same thing. Pictures taken still apply. The essential oil that I mix is 8 of them that I put in here. That will be used. And the contouring cream. So for the women that do get the plastic surgery done for any of the procedures that I mentioned, that's all that will be used. And my primary concern for you, for the women that get those procedures done, the tummy tuck, the liposuction, the breast augmentation, and a Brazilian butt lift, to include rhinoplasty, because a lot of women are starting to get the rhinoplasty as well. My main concern when you come out of your surgery and your post-op care with me, should you hire me, is to prevent any internal adhesions and to prevent any fibrosis from starting to build up internally on you. Because soon as you get done with your procedure, your body and your tissues go into a healing phase, a healing stage, and there's 3 stages of healing. So while your body's going through the 3 stages of healing, and your tissues are starting to heal because it was interrupted out of homeostasis and intervened with a invasive surgery, your tissues are going to start to heal by themselves. So my goal with you is prevent any internal adhesions, do a modality that we call manual lymphatic drainage. And the purpose of manual lymphatic drainage is to help and assist your body in draining any subcutaneous fluid or any interstitial fluid to keep you from having any type of edema and get those the fluid towards the lymph nodes of where they're supposed to drain to. So there's more on that. When you call me for a consultation, all consultations are free. When you call me for consultation, I will go into detail about that. But for the purpose of this video, I'm not going to go into that type of detail. Now, there is another group of tools that I have not went into, and I'm going to shift over to here so you can see them. I'm going to see if I can blow it up for you. This particular group of tools right here is for women who get the natural facelift. These tools are used for a natural, non-invasive facelift. However, it's primarily toning, where you may have some sagging up underneath your eyes, mainly up underneath your eyes and underneath your chin. So with this system, I'm going to show you what's also used for contouring. You see these tools right here that are blown up, but I also use a cream that's for toning sagging skin and for around the eyes where some women get like really baggy eyes. So these are the tools, and I'm going to just turn these up so you can see them. Okay. I'm going to turn this one up as well so you can see that. So these are the tools. These tools right here is used for, let me just turn it down a little bit. These tools right here are used for the natural facelift. However, for the women that do go and get the facelift done by plastic surgeons, you should also have post-op aftercare for the procedure that was done to you on your face. What I do is I enhance and assist and prevent any internal adhesions or any areas on your face that may become fibrotic, may become hard to the touch or skin to the touch. So these are the tools. I'm going to blow this down so you can see everything. This is not coming out right. Here we go. Let me shift it a little bit. So these are the tools that are used. 2 systems, and both systems can be independently or combined together so that you can receive maximum results with an effective treatment plan. If you have any questions for me, I can be reached at 267-864-8639. You can ask me questions on my Instagram page at Philly Timeout Spa. You can, something else I wanted to say to you ladies. You could also go to my Facebook page at Philly Timeout Spa and look me up there. But it's easier to just text me a message. I will answer you. Just make sure you put your name with it. If you're interested in having a free consultation. So I just wanted to share because I did a video before and I just showed you the tools and I showed you the setup. This, the table is not set up for a client because I don't have a client today. So I just put the tools on here and I went through each tool and each cream and I described and told you what it was for and how I use it. So that's all I have for right now. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to give me a call. All consultations are free. My number is 267-864-8639. You can text me, call me, or DM me on Instagram at Philly Timeout Spa, or put your comments in and your questions at Philly Timeout Spa. If you know of any women, ladies who have received any of these treatments, Brazilian butt lift, tummy tucks, liposuction, breast augmentation, and they are not getting any post-op care, which you do need, give them my phone number. Have them call me and get all their questions answered so that I could tell them who they should see, which direction they could go in, what's the best treatment for them for aftercare post-op surgery. So until then, thank you and have a blessed day. Bye-bye.